Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to view mobile version of WordPress website from desktop. So if you want to view the mobile version of WordPress from your desktop, here's a simple guide on how to do that. So for you to be able to do that, you have to log on to your WordPress and make sure you're on your dashboard, and this is the dashboard of the website. So for me to be able to do that, I have to click on appearance from the left side corner of the screen, and it is also called choose bar. Tap on it, then tap on it, then switch to mistake. Just place your cursor on the I think I made a mistake. Just go back to home. Now just place your mouse on your appearance, then from the appearance tap on customize. Then this will take you down to the customize page site. Then just go down a little from the left hand side. You can see that the current version of this WordPress is on desktop. So if you want to view the mobile version, you can just click on this. This is the mobile version right here. This is for tab. If you're on the tab, you can use this. If you're on the mobile version, you want to view the mobile version of your website, just click on this arrow phone icon at the down bottom of the screen. That is how you can switch the appearance of your website. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.